It's time-saving, money-saving, and helps you avoid eating the wrong foods and portion sizes. Meal prepping, one of your best weight loss tools. Hi, it's Chanty Autry, and this is Clean Eating the Red Mountain Way. This week, we're meal prepping chicken. And if you think it's all too time-consuming and confusing, let's make it easier on ourselves. The best way to meal prep is to decide which proteins, vegetables, herbs, fruits, sauces, and zero-calorie pastas that you like and can have on your weight loss program. And then find some containers that put your food in compartments. That really helps with portion control. Then cook it all at once and divide and conquer. So let's start with the chicken. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I've cut them into bite-sized pieces, enough for a week's worth of meals. To make each dish different, I'm starting with a zero-calorie, zero-carb marinade. For an Asian-inspired chicken dish, pour the Asian dressing over the chicken. Then add a few slices of fresh ginger, some herbs like Thai basil, fresh garlic, and salt and pepper. Then cover and refrigerate for several hours or overnight. Use the same method with a pear and white balsamic marinade. This time, it's the marinade, some garlic powder, fresh rosemary, salt, and pepper, and then refrigerate. And for a third variety, a honey balsamic vinaigrette. For that, I'm adding the vinaigrette, lemon slices, Thai basil, all-purpose seasoning, and salt and pepper. Once your chicken is marinated, you're ready to cook. Add your chicken to a hot skillet with zero-calorie cooking spray. For the Asian chicken, I'm adding steamed broccoli. For the pear and white balsamic chicken, I'm adding sautéed mushrooms just to add variety to each meal. Once your protein is cooked, choose your veggies. And the bamboo cooktop steamer is the way to go because it retains all of the color, flavor, and nutrients of your favorite vegetables. Steamed cauliflower is also a great option for your chicken meals. Just pop the package in the microwave for a few minutes and it's steamed and ready to go. Or if you love the zero-calorie, zero-carb miracle noodles, they're the perfect choice for a healthy side. Just boil up some water, add the miracle noodles, and cook for just a few minutes. So you've done all of the prepping, and now it's time for the payoff. And here are some ideas. Steamed cauliflower with pear and white balsamic chicken, steamed veggies, and celery and grape tomatoes for a snack. Or cauliflower rice and honey balsamic chicken in bell pepper bowls, a packet of calorie-free Italian dressing, and cuties and strawberries for dessert. Here's another delicious dish: angel hair miracle noodles, Asian chicken and broccoli, cukes and red bell peppers, and steamed veggies. And for healthy snacks, raw veggies and zero-calorie dressing, or some fresh Red Mountain approved fruits. Since you've done all the prep, don't forget to reward yourself by making a meal out of all this goodness before you pack it in containers. Meal prepping the Red Mountain Way is a snap. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain Way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.